Not one, not. Oh my gosh, what? Okay, mom life. We're gonna come back to it. Okay, let's try this again because clearly, I was interrupted. It be your own kids, they don't let you be great. Anyhow, basically, we have head wraps upon head wraps upon head wraps, okay? Hi, curl friends. Welcome back to Naturally Shanice. I'm Shanice, your favorite curl friend and mom bestie, guiding you through your natural and healthy hair journey and your best mom life. Listen, I'm not even gonna hold you guys today. You have asked this question over and over and over. Shanice, let us get a head wrap video. Teach us how you do your head wraps. Tell us more. So today, I'm answering all your questions through Instagram on this video, and we're gonna talk about head wraps, all right? But before we get into it, you guys already know the drill. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Naturally Shanice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And if you are already a curl friend member and, actively involved in Naturally Shanice, thank you for coming back. I hope that you are pleased with today. When it comes to head wraps, I think that we make it more difficult than what it has to be. Head wraps should be fun, they should be easy, bright, colorful, and I think when I say that, I think that we make it more difficult than what we have to, make it. It's like we think that it's a certain way to tie your head wrap and a certain way to wear your head wrap. And I've really come to the realization that wearing a head wrap and how I tie my head wrap is just how I do it. That's it. So when you guys ask me, how do I tie the head wraps and to show you, I, get a little laugh and a kick out of it because I just feel like just have fun with it. Wrap it however you feel like it. There's no one right or wrong way to wear or wrap your head in a head wrap. We're gonna start off with two large head wraps, okay? These are they're like full head wraps. So head wraps vary in sizes, right? You can have bandanas, you can have turbans, you can have like mini head wraps, and then you can have these long, full head wraps, all right? And so here are two versions. This first one is by Jinin Wraps. She is black, well, Haitian, I should say, Haitian. And I got this from Jen Jean Pierre. And this is just an oldie but goodie. I wear it all the time. You guys can see me on Instagram all the time wearing this head wrap. This is really a cotton, non-stretch material. So you can see here, cool design, but it doesn't stretch, it's hard. I do love this. I find that this head wrap here, which is from this head wrap here is from the Wrap Life, and look at the difference. It's completely stretchy. And so if you're looking for an easy way to tie your head wrap, I highly suggest, look at the difference, see that? I highly suggest you getting a head wrap that has some stretch to it. These are very, very difficult to wrap and tie. I find this ribbed material, this is from the Wrap Life, it's a ribbed material, and it definitely is so much easier to wrap your head wrap, especially if you are just getting into head wraps or you have difficulty wrapping your hair. All right, so let's start off with the Wrap Life. So this is by far my most favorite way and easiest way to wrap the hair. I think it's chic, I think that it's super easy, and it pretty much can go with any outfit. It's super girly, I don't know, and I just like it. So here we go. All right, first things first, here, and I'm gonna cover up my whole head, okay? And you can see, once again, honestly, look at the stretch of this. It is stretching, giving. So I'm gonna cover up all of my hair, okay? My complete head. And I'm gonna bring it up over my ears. Notice we're equal here. And then I'm gonna come here and we're gonna tie it. All right, tie it. Then I'm gonna bring it here, all right? And you can see the back is fully covered. And I'm very sensitive to headaches with head wraps on. So, tie as hard or as loose as you want. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. My earring fell out. Did it fall out? Oh, I did. So I have a rip in my ear and my earring fell out. Anyhow, okay, so yes, we're gonna come here and you see it's just hanging and it's giving that. Then we're gonna bring this over here, and I'm literally, actually we'll just bring it this way. And we're literally just going to take it down this way, okay? And this could be worn with all the head wraps that I just showed you, the full size wraps, the style. It's pretty easy and pretty versatile, okay? And then we're gonna come here and we're gonna bring it down here, see that? And then you literally just tuck it in the back. And try to bring it up here so it's not giving, there we go. And look, honestly, you guys, like, look how easy that is. That's super easy. Like, now I am going to take the Gin wrap and I'm gonna do the same wrap that I just did, but with the non-stretchy or rib material, okay? So you're gonna come through just like I did before. I'm gonna come through here. Here we go. And so here you can see, like, there's no give to it at all, okay? And I'm gonna come here, same thing, come through here, okay? Lightly tie. And so this, because it's not that stretchy, and I don't have a whole bunch of hair, I am getting just a little bit of excess material, which is fine. If you don't like that material, you can always tuck it in. And then we're just literally going to do the same thing. Okay, there we go. And then bring it around, tuck it in. And then for this part, because this is hanging down, just take that. We're gonna come through there. And this is my hair, so we're gonna get rid of that. Ears are showing. I like a little baby hair coming out. Simple. And we'll get it here. We'll get that there. And bam, we're done. Look, easy work. Really, really easy, okay? Head wraps don't have to be hard. I'm gonna show you guys one more. All right, here goes one more because I love you guys. So for this one, it's full length. We're gonna fold it in half, okay? So now we have half length, right? And I'm gonna fold it one more time. Well, really 1.5. So I'll show you what that looks like. 1.5. You see that? There we go, okay? I'm gonna bring it through here, like this. And again, this is just what I learned by having a little bit of fun. Bring it through here. So really the back of my hair is covered. I'm gonna bring it through here, like so. And this time, bring your hair through here. I'm gonna have it just a little bit further back so that we can see my hair, okay? If you want, you can bring it down like that, but I'm gonna leave it because I wanna pull it down just a little bit. Okay, you can come right here and twist it all the way down, like that. And you can come here and you just wrap it around and you wrap it in here. So now it's almost like a little flower, and then you just play with it to get it. And now your curls are coming through here. We're still giving a little bit of baby hair, just like this. If you want, you could take an edge brush and brush down your edges just a little. You can have just a little bit here. You can have curls coming out, you know, the back, like one here, one there. It's really, really simple. And there you have it, another easy way to wrap your hair. I just picked up these from Walmart, okay? Don't sleep on Walmart. Now, I don't go into Walmart very often, okay? But if you're looking for cheap alternatives, like less than $10, and you just want material to do a head wrap, because all a head wrap is a large piece of fabric. So if you want a large piece of fabric, you can go to Walmart. You can do it two ways. You could buy these. These were located in the belt section in Walmart, like the accessories, belts, where the jewelry was. That's where it was at mine, okay? These run you $197. Okay, so this is about $2 per head wrap. I just chose, because they were so cheap, I just chose this little flamingo. This is like apples. This is peaches or whatnot. And all of these can be worn with various outfits throughout the summer, at the pool, whatever, okay? So let's get into how I tie some of these head wraps. So first and foremost, let's show you the size of these. So now you can see the size difference here. See that? Way different, right? Completely different, just a square. So what I like to do is, because my hair is short, I'm gonna cut it in half, okay? In the traditional triangle, all right? And then I'm gonna cut it in half again. So tear this piece down right here, just like that. And then I'm gonna go in half again, like this, okay? So if you want, you can tie it like this. If your hair is longer and you actually have hair that's gonna hang, and you just literally tie it like a headband, and bam, I'm done. She's cute. Get a little curl. I may like get my pick and pick it out. I'm just gonna take my hands for the sake of this, because I'm actually about to wash my hands. Okay, but yeah, you get the point. If your hair is longer, your curls will hang out in the back. If you have braids, they would be swinging. It's giving cute. I personally would not wear my head wrap. I would not wear the bandana like this because I don't like the fact that my hair is not long, okay? So instead, what I'm gonna do for a TWA, and this is just my preference for how I like to wear it, we're gonna keep it the same. We're gonna turn it around, and I'm gonna bring it up like this through the back. See that? Because I don't want any hair out. And I am going to bring it in front, and we're going to tie it. I'm gonna tie it back just a little bit, and then we're gonna tie it again, okay? Just like this. Then you put this literally underneath like that, and you put that underneath like that. There we go. There we go. And now, I'm gonna put my ears out. We're gonna come here again, and the back is covered. We're good. You can pick it out now. Yay, now the sides are covered. And we're getting easy breezy. The last head wrap that I got recently is this one, and it's a turban. I don't know if it's called a turban. I'm gonna call it a turban, guys. I don't know, but guess what? It's from Target. It's by Cantu, okay? This is not in any way sponsored by Cantu. I literally just picked these up in Target, okay? And it caught my eye because, again, it's like that, is it called a bandeau? Or is it called, I don't know what it's called, a turban, a bandeau, whatever. This is, I think it's a bandeau, like bandana. All right, it's already tied for you. It comes pre-tied with a little cute knot here. Super easy. This is really no fuss. It caught my eye down the hair, the natural hair aisle in Target. It caught my eye, and I said, you know what, I have to have it. I wanna say that this is it's less than $15. I do know that. It might be like $12.99 or something like that. The ones on the Wraplife's website are $16, I think, or $20, okay? So for this one, you just literally come through. Ooh, she's done. It's that simple. This is what this is giving. That's it. How simple is this? Okay, and if your hair was longer, I might just like pull up some of this here, not doing anything to it. And this is it. It's super simple. It's gonna cover up all of everything that I don't want people to see because I have short hair and it's growing out. These are perfect for grow outs. Perfect, because you look super cute here, and while this is being annoying for the grow out, it's covered. You're good to go. You can have your ears here. I can come in like that, still do the baby hair. Okay, that's all I have for you today. We have various size head wraps. All of the head wraps that I showed in today's video were purchased with my own money, with the exception of the red gin Gingen wrap. I hope I'm saying that right. Lord forgive me. Which I received from, it was a gift to Jen from the brand, and I kind of took it from Jen and never gave it back to her. So anyhow, yes, all of them are purchased with my money. It's just things that I bought that I'm sharing with you. All the details, website links can be found inside the description. If you liked what you saw or have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me via the comments underneath this video. If you are not subscribed, here's a friendly reminder. Go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Because I'm still going to be dropping new videos all summer, trying to be way more consistent with YouTube because I love it, you guys love it, we're friends, and I'm getting good vibes here, all right? So without further ado, I will see you next time. Bye, girlfriends.